Now I am going to show you the procedure how to construct a perpendicular line at a point on a given line. Here this point P is located on the line exactly. At this point P we have to construct a perpendicular line like this. So how to do that? But you have to use only ruler and set of compasses only. So for that, first I take some radius and I put at P this point, and with that some radius I am drawing an arc like this. By rotating the paper like this I constructed an arc. Now I take this point. If you name, suppose if you name this point as A and this point as B, so first I take A as center. I am increasing a little bit more radius, more or less whatever you can do, but it is more better. Like this I am drawing one more arc here and I am lifting it up. This time I am taking B as center. I am drawing one more arc like this. Now these two arcs are intersecting at this point. So you can call this, if you want, some Q. Join this PQ in this way using ruler, and definitely this PQ is perpendicular to this AB line. That means you will get here 90 degrees. If you use protractor and if you measure this angle, definitely that will be 90 degrees. So in this way you have to construct a perpendicular line at a point given on this line itself. Next, if you see here also you are going to construct a perpendicular line from a point not on the given line. That means the difference here, the point P is on this line, but here in this case the point P is not on the line. It is outside the line. From there you have to draw a perpendicular line like this. For that for that construction we use the set of ruler compasses and the ruler. So first what I do, you have to take P as center and take an arc in such a way that this arc should cut the given line in 2 points like this. See, after drawing like this, see that arc is cutting here one point and here we are getting another point of intersection. Now I am naming them as A and B. Next what I have to do, I take this time B as center. I increase a little bit this radius. I am drawing one arc like this, and without disturbing this radius, take the same radius. This time A as center, draw one more arc like this, that is intersecting the previous arc at this point. Locate that point. You can name it as some C, and now I am joining this P and C. I am joining P and C like this. I am producing that to the line, and also I am producing a little bit more. So now this line is definitely perpendicular to this line. That means you will get 90 degrees here. If you take the protractor and if you measure this angle, it will be 90 this side and also it is 90 degrees this side. So in this way you have to construct this perpendicular from the given point which is not on the given line. So after that, next, if you turn the paper, you have 7th and 8th same type. I show you how to construct the 7th problem. What is he saying? Construct a parallel line to the given line through a point not on the given line. Here this is the given line and this point P is not on this line. From this point I have to draw a line parallel to this line. So how to do this construction? For that, first, if I name this given line as some AB, I am joining this A with that P and I produce like this to a certain extent. Now the strategy I am going to use here is, in order to get a parallel line here, I first I construct this angle here. For two parallel lines the corresponding angles are equal. If I construct the same angle here at this point, then that line will be automatically parallel to the given line. That is the strategy. For that, what I do, first I take A as center like this, and with some radius I draw one arc like this. Like this. You have to draw an arc like this and lift it up with the same radius without disturbing it. Take P as center now like this. Draw one more arc here like this. Like this you have to draw. Okay, then you can disturb this now, see, and put at this point. Put at this point and take this point. This pencil should touch that point. This is the radius. These two intersecting points I am taking as radius. Okay, in this way, and lift it up and put at this point now and draw an arc like this to cut this arc at this point. You can call this as some Q. Now you join PQ in this way. If you join PQ in this way, definitely this line will be parallel to this line. So one more time I repeat, this one is the corresponding angle here. The same angle if you construct here, these two are corresponding angles, therefore they will be equal. Automatically this line will be treated as parallel line to the given line. So in the procedure, what we do, like this you have to draw an arc first. The same arc with P as center you have to draw like this, and then lift it up and take this point and this point as a radius you have to take, and from here this point you have to cut this arc like this, and you can name it as Q. And if you join PQ, definitely PQ will be parallel to AB. This is the procedure. You have to construct a parallel line at a point which is not on the line. The same procedure you follow here too to construct the parallel line through Q this way. Thank you.